Okay. Well, let me ask you my first question about the weather in Vietnam. So, how is the weather in Vietnam? So, tell me about seasons.
Uh, I live in Ho Chi Minh City. It's
Yeah,
southern Vietnam, and we have two seasons,
yeah,
dry and wet season,
yeah. Two
and it's
seasons.
the hot
Yeah,
two season, dry
yeah,
and wet season.
yeah.
And
Of
now
course.
we are in a dry season, so we don't have rain. We don't have
Yeah.
rain now,
Oh,
and it's a bit, it's just a bit cool
yeah. It's a bit
in the
cold.
morning time or night time, just a bit.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just a bit.
So during the year, a year is the best season in southern now, in
Of
southern
course.
area now.
Yeah. So there is
But
no winter.
for northern area,
Ah,
no winter, no
no
winter,
winter.
no winter. But
Uh,
in capital in Hanoi City, it's the northern area.
yeah.
It's close to China, and
Ah,
it's we have four seasons.
yeah, of
Yeah,
course.
so it's the cold. It's cold now.
Yeah, it's cold now. Okay, so different states, different weathers. Okay, so let me ask another question. Do you like the sunshine or the rain?
Of course, I love the sunshine.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, everyone
yes,
likes
the sunshine.
sunshine,
Yeah.
but I love the rain. I don't know why.
Why? Why?
I'm a big fan of autumn, winter, autumn, and I don't know. Of course,
Oh,
yeah, I
yeah,
don't know why. I was born in July, of course, a hot, sunny month, but
yeah.
season,
Heart,
but
sun.
I like rain. I think the most
Oh,
beautiful
really?
season,
Yeah.
yeah, of course, the most beautiful season is
Uh,
winter, of course, when it's snowing, and
yeah,
of course the rain. I don't know, but you like
yeah.
sunshine.
So do
But
you have
yeah,
also do you have a lot of rain in
yeah,
autumn?
yeah, we do rain and snow. Of
Oh,
course, we have different seasons, but there is something, every year, actually, as you know, we are facing global
yeah,
warming, and all countries,
yeah.
all parts of worlds are getting hotter and warmer actually every
Autumn,
year.
autumn.
So,
Yeah,
we have something like a reduction of rain and snow. For example, comparing few
yeah,
years ago, we can say that there is no actually considerable snow. Of course, we have, but we can say that
yeah,
comparing a few years ago, the weather is getting warmer. It's not really good. Of course, we have rain, but I think we need more. And I think it's something like, pre-warning. The earth is actually giving
yeah,
us, yeah, a warning. Something is in dangerous, the nature is in dangerous,
yeah,
because, all around the world, people all around the world actually are getting this alarm. It's something like, the weather is getting warm and warm every day, and it's not really good. But of course, we have rain and snow in autumn and winter.
yeah. Oh, yes. It's like in Japan, we can
Yeah,
feel that the earth, the weather is warmer and warmer every year.
yeah, of
You know,
course.
in Japan, but several years ago, we could not plant tropical,
Yeah,
tropical plant, but
yeah.
now we can.
uh,
Yeah. So I
uh,
think it's really warmer and warmer. every
Of
year.
course. As you know, we have two types of disasters, some natural disasters that we
Yeah,
do nothing about them, but we have some other disasters that I think are more threatening or more maybe dangerous. That are man-made disasters, something that we are making, human actually causes these type
yeah,
of disasters like, global warming, okay, and something like this, maybe. And
Ramon.
as you know, icebergs and actually north and south poles are actually melting. And,
Yeah,
it's because of different
yeah,
industries, technology industries, and everything that we are making. And, when we actually think
yeah,
about past, it's something like, there was two different words. In the past, something really different, and now different. Now, modern,
mhm,
beautiful, sophisticated. But when it comes
so-
to natural resources, we don't have more, than past. In the past, everything was more
yeah,
natural, I think.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Well,
yes.
yeah, okay. Let me share my screen so to talk about weather. Okay. Okay. Well, okay. Let's get started with this part. Scorching hot. So let's learn some words, some
Hot and
phrases
hot.
about, yeah, scorching hot means extremely hot. So it means, let me write
Yeah,
here, extremely hot. For example, during the summer, the weather is scorching hot in Hanoi. It means extremely hot.
extremely hot. Yeah,
Yeah, of course. And okay, pouring rain. So let's talk about different types of rain. So when we say, it means rain falling in large drops and with a lot of force. So when we say
a lot
pouring,
of rock.
it
Yeah,
means rain falling in large drops
for me.
and with a lot of force. Okay, so this is pouring. But we
Yeah,
have different actually forms, maybe different words to talk about to say that it's raining. So, for example, when we want to say that uh, this is rain, but rain is very gentle, hardly noticeable. It's very gentle rain. We say drizzle.
it's
So,
raining. Yeah,
yeah, drizzle. For example, it's drizzling. It's
drizzle.
drizzling
Okay.
means, yeah,
Yeah,
it's something like it's raining, but very gentle and hardly noticeable.
softly,
So,
Richard. Yeah,
very gentle rain
gentle.
and hardly noticeable. So, this is
Yeah,
drizzling. Yeah. And
yeah,
when actually this is the first stage of rain, we can say this is stage where the rain is just beginning, right now, just beginning. So
yeah.
there is a longer gap between drops. So that, as you know, at the beginning of rain, something like the drops actually are falling one by one. This is the beginning of rain. So we say that it's
Bigger.
spitting. So
Spitting.
spitting, yeah,
Okay.
of course. Spitting means the stage where the rain is just beginning.
Just beginning.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. It's just
Yeah,
beginning. Yeah. Okay. And after that, when we want to say that, rain is falling so heavily, you know? So when we want to say when it's rain is falling very and so heavily,
When
we can say bucketing down.
bucking. Oh,
Bucketing down means raining heavily. Raining heavily, bucketing. It's bucketing down. It means
yeah.
falling heavily. Okay. And of course, we have
Okay.
another thing, another word, and another phrase that you can use when it's raining heavily. Another one that we say tipping down. Tipping down. They're the same. So raining heavily, tipping down, or bucketing down, both of them.
No.
Okay,
Yeah.
and maybe actually it happened before for you. You go to the streets, suddenly actually rainstorm. And after a short period
Yeah.
of rain, it ends. Just for a short period, maybe 10 minutes. We
Very
have
short
rain
shot.
and it's
Yeah.
finished. We call
Yeah.
it a shower. We call it a shower.
A shower.
Yeah. It's like a shower, of course. It's like a shower. So it's a short period of rain, and we
Okay.
call it a shower or
A
passing
shower.
shower. So
Yeah.
you may hear shower or passing shower. Both are the same. So for
Yeah.
maybe 10 minutes, okay. Well,
Yeah. Passing
so,
shower.
okay. So here's some phrases to say it's raining. So, and we have pouring, as I told you. The first one is pouring. That is rain falling in large drops and with a lot of force. Okay, let me
Yeah.
write here. Falling in large drops and a lot of force. Okay, so this is pouring. Okay, it's pouring rain out. So we can say, and let me say something. It's pouring rain or it's pouring. Just enough. Pouring is enough. So if
Right.
you don't say rain, it's not really essential to say it's pouring rain. Just pouring. It's pouring. That means it's actually raining with a lot of force. Okay. Another phrase, soaking wet. It means very wet.
So
Very.
soaking wet. Yeah.
So very wet. Okay. So it's pouring rain outside and my clothes are soaking wet or very wet.
Very wet. Yeah.
Yeah. And okay, be caught in the rain, of course, as the phrase
Caught in the rain.
indicates. Yeah, of course. It means, the situation where someone gets stuck in the rain. So, and it's actually something like unable to take cover. So, a situation where someone gets stuck in the rain. Okay.
Hmm. Yeah.
And unable to take a
Two.
cover. So, we
Oh,
say, yeah, someone gets stuck in the rain, say, I was caught. Of course, you can change this tense. For example,
yeah.
I'm on the street and I can say, oh, I'm caught in the rain. So this is present. I have been caught. So you can use actually this phrase in different tenses, not only past, present, or maybe present perfect. So you can use different tenses.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, in the shade, it's really clear in the shade or shadow or into the shade. So you can say into the shade or in
The
the
shadow.
shade. Okay, yeah, of course. That
Yeah.
is, yeah, of course, into the shadow. Especially when it's scorching hot, it's sunny, you need a place actually to be in the shade. Yeah, you need
Okay.
shadow,
Yeah.
of course. And stay out of sun, of course. Vietnamese women are obsessed with fair skin. Yeah, really? Do you normally wear mask?
Yeah.
Yeah. So first,
Yes.
yeah. So interesting.
Because it's really yeah.
It's really,
Uh it's very it's very sunshine is very hard. The sunshine is very
yeah,
hard, and there
yeah.
are many uh mhm.
So I think, is it actually,
But
let me ask you, if it's a fact, that Vietnamese women really like to have fair skin, light skin, so they try to stay away from actually stay out of sun. Yeah, is it correct?
yes, right.
Right.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
And and the circumstance is not good. There
Yeah.
are many not smoke, but sorry, how to say in English? The atmosphere is not good. It's not
Uh,
clear. It's not clean.
You say you are talking about the air. So you are talking about air pollution. So you say that air is polluted.
And plus, yes,
Yeah, what's
polluted.
this?
Yeah,
Yeah, air is polluted. Yeah, so you don't have fresh
yeah,
air. Yeah,
yes, right. It's the sunshine is very strong and the air is polluted.
yeah,
So
of course.
most most of people they have a mask
Yeah,
during the year.
yeah, they need to wear
Yeah,
mask, of course, during the day
yeah,
because of air pollution. So air is polluted. Air, just pay attention. When say air is polluted, and we have the noun air pollution.
yeah,
So
yes,
this is
pollution.
noun, okay? So we have air pollution in
Yeah,
our city, and air is polluted. So people need to wear masks, okay?
mask. Yeah,
Yeah. Of course, I think it's too hard because as you said, it's too hot. Normally it's too hot in Vietnam, so it's too I think difficult to wear mask during the day.
yeah.
Yeah, of course. Well, okay. Let's make some sentences with the words and phrases that we just learned. Okay. You can, as I told you, you can combine them to make a whole.
Scorching hot. Okay. Tr- Uh, okay. Scorching hot. Vietnam is a tropical country. So the weather is, the weather is scorching hot every day, and we and we suddenly have a pouring rain.
Yeah, of
Um, yeah,
course.
pouring rain. Uh, if you are caught in the rain, um, if you are caught in the rain, uh, you are be you are you are being soaking wet. Um,
You are B, you can't, R is B. So what you are, you be, you will be, maybe you mean, you
are
will be.
you
Yeah,
will be you will be yeah you will be
yeah,
soaking wet.
yeah, of course. Your
Mm,
clothes will be soaking wet, of course. Very good.
yeah. Mm.
And
And say because it's hot on the days, so sometimes you will be get sick because it's too
course.
hot, and yeah you should uh s- stay out of the sun by the by to to stay to
Mhm.
stay in the shade.
Yeah. Stay in the
Yeah,
shade, of course. Very good.
the shade.
Well, let's talk about these two words, hot and heat. So, scorching hot,
Hot and heat.
scorching heat. How to use these two phrases? When we say scorching hot, you need to use it with, for example, be. For example, it was scorching hot at the beach.
It was
So,
hot.
it was
Hot.
scorching
Yeah.
hot at the beach. So this is the first. So as you can see, I have be here was, okay? But when I say scorching heat, you can say, I don't want to be outside in this scorching heat. This is something like a noun.
And heat.
So
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
don't want to be out in this scorching
The
heat. So
scorching heat.
here, of course, we use scorching heat as
Yeah.
noun.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, okay.
Yeah.
Keep going. Well, some idioms. As I remember, we talked about under the weather. When you feel ill or sick, you say under the weather. For example, I'm feeling a bit under the weather. It means I'm feeling a bit, I don't know, ill. So under the weather means feeling ill. Okay. And
Yeah.
we we have another one, another idiom. Come rain or shine. Okay, this is another idiom that is used to say that something will happen even it rains. For example, the party will be on Tuesday. Rain or shine. So we use it to say that something
Yeah.
will happen even it's rain. Okay, I will travel next week, rain or shine. Okay, so it means something will happen. Well, for example, I will always be with you, come rain or come shine. It means everything happen. no matter, and sometimes we use it, when we want to say that no matter what happens, I will do something. For example, I will stay with you. Come rain or come shine. Here, it doesn't mean rain. It means no matter what happens, I will stay with you. Okay? So we can say, we can use it when we want to say something will happen when it rains. And we can use it when we want to say that something happened and come true. Okay? And no matter what happens. Okay? Get it?
Yeah, okay.
Well, okay.
Okay.
And
Get it.
yeah. So let's make two other examples using these two idioms.
Good. Yeah. Mm, mm. Uh, I'm feeling a bit under the weather because because it's suddenly cooler.
It suddenly got cold, you
It's
mean?
suddenly
It suddenly got cold.
got cooler.
Became,
Got
got,
cold.
okay, got or became
Got
cold. Mm-hmm.
yeah cold. Yeah.
Yeah.
Um. hmm. I'm going to go back Japan this lunar vacation, come rain or shine.
Okay, so of course, you can say actually you used as a second mean, no matter what happens, I will do this. And of
No
course,
matter
something that is mentioned here, you can say, used to say that
used to say
something will
say
happen
that something
even it rains. Okay. And another one.
even it's rain. Yeah.
Okay, so I can say we can use it no matter
No matter
what
what
happens.
it
Yeah, you
what
say,
happened.
yeah,
No
you
matter what
made
happened.
your
Yes.
example using the second definition. Okay, so here, as you can see, we're going camping this weekend, come rain or shine. So okay. Well, and we have another actually because we talked about rain, so let's talk about this idiom. Uh, can I or may I? Can I take a rain check? Do you have any idea about the
Rain
definition of this idiom?
check.
Can I take a rain check?
Rain check.
Yeah.
No. Take a
Okay,
rain
so
check.
this is really
Rain
useful.
check. Hmm.
Yeah, can I take a rain or may I take a rain check? So, um, we use
Can I take a rain check? Okay. I
you
remember.
remember because we discussed
So
it.
where you want, yes. For example, someone invite you to go out,
Yes.
right? When
Yes,
when
definitely
when
yes.
someone invite you to go out, but you
Yes.
cannot, so you will we should go out in another time,
Very
right?
good. Excellent. Very
So you
good. That
use a rain check.
yes,
Okay,
of
I
course.
remember.
Very good. Good memory. Excellent. Very good.
Yeah,
Okay. Well, okay,
take a rain
it's
check.
time to talk about today's structure. That is really easy. Be supposed to. For example, I'm supposed to, I don't know, go on camping, for example, next week. I'm supposed to. Actually, we use it
Oh,
at the meaning of the same as I'm gonna go, I'm going to go. So be supposed to, as you can see, subject plus be, supposed to plus verb. Actually, to be expect. So we use it to predict, to expect to do something. Okay. So it's supposed to be rainy, for example. Okay, so you can say it's gonna, it's
yeah.
going to be rain. Okay, rainy. So you can say something like because as you know, we use be going to for actually prediction. We use it. It's going to be, for example, rainy tomorrow. It's going to be rainy. Now we can use be supposed to the same as be going to. We can consider it actually the same as be going to for prediction. So subject be supposed to verb. Okay. Weekend is supposed to be sunny. It's gonna be sunny. It's
Yeah.
supposed to be. Okay, well, for example, let's make an example using be supposed to. What are you going to do? Or where are you going to go?
Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Mm, okay.
Well,
Um, okay. I am supposed to finish the presentation of the documentary
very
by
good.
the end of this week. By
Very
the end of
good.
this week.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Well, yeah, very good. And as you said, and as you mentioned, we normally, not always, of course, we usually
Normally.
use be supposed to in the present simple and the past simple form. So present simple normally, but of course you can use it in present
Present.
perfect or maybe continuous form. Okay.